No. Wait, you're not going to talk to her?
Yeah.
No. That's not a good idea.
Why?
Let me go talk to her and bring her out here.
No.
No. Listen. You guys are not trusting me.
6 kids, nonverbal, autistic. There's something with going on in the house. Like, they want a babysitter who's okay with all that kind of stuff.
Other women in the house with the kids on
And that's what we're going to call CPS.
Yes, and I don't want
But we want to make sure
Here's the other goal.
help.
The kids should not be taken away.
On September 2nd, 2025, officers with the Palm Bay Police Department arrived at a home in the Wellington subdivision after a call came in describing a domestic disturbance. By the time they left that evening, they had uncovered 6 children locked inside separate bedrooms with no food, no water, no working bathroom, and a story their own parents had been quietly telling neighbors for months.
What's going on between you and her today? What's...
I tried to take her phone because I was saying, what did you say to your dad last night? You called the police. You guys said to me. And I was like, Laura, what did you say? So I said words. What words did you say? Because what you said, not you, police, yesterday. It's vastly different from what she said. She didn't say anything. She was like, what'd you say to the police to get them to come here last night?
Do you need medical attention?
No, I don't. We don't.
Does she need medical attention?
What we need to do is worry about the kids. There's kids in there, but we need to not take people with guns in there.
What's the house you live at? What's the address?
So I have a PhD in economics.
What's your address?
1288 Dillard Drive.
1288?
Yeah, because we have different numerics.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 kids in the house right now. There's a dog in there. Wait, hey, listen. Stay out here, please. Do not go.
No, we're not paying out.
No. Wait, you're not going to talk to her?
Yeah.
No. That's not a good idea.
Why?
Let me go talk to her and bring her out here.
No.
No. Listen. You guys are not trusting me. Please.
Why?
Listen.
No, sir.
Sir, just stay right
Because
here.
she's telling you I'm the bad guy. She wants to get me
Okay, then you'll just stay right
Just
there.
hang tight.
What she's going to do is release the dog. Don't go, please. Without a lawyer present, I'm invoking my rights.
What's...
You're with him right now, or-
Yeah, what's... Yeah, you're good.
I'm not.
What's going on between you guys?
We're getting divorced.
You are?
We have a counselor, and she's the bipolar 1, and she's done some shit. I found out recently.
Gotcha. Do you have any medical issues or anything like that we should be concerned about?
I work full time. I make $177,000 a year. I work remote. I moved from here 9 months ago. Do you want to do? I have a PhD in economics. I used to teach.
Okay.
Well, highly educated people. She's crazy.
And you guys have 6 kids together.
She's pregnant.
How do you guys... What transpired today?
Today, I woke up and I realized she was trying to get her dad to kill me.
Who was trying to kill you?
Laura I asked her, what did you tell your dad yesterday? Get the police to come. She wouldn't tell me.
The police came out here yesterday?
Yes.
For what?
You can check the record.
Well,
I
our
told her
numerics are showing a different address.
Okay,
so.
I made a mistake. Yeah, I talked to 3 different officers for multiple hours, for like maybe 30 minutes. They did the whole test of me. Because what she's telling them is that I'm on. I am not on.
Are you on any drugs or any alcohol
No,
or anything like that?
She's f***ing trying to be crazy. That's when I get away from. I actually feel calmer talking to you than being around her as a person. You don't know.
I got you. Obviously, you're...
I'm the. So we had CPS here 2 months ago, and that kind of started my brain to kind of shake.
Yeah. Just remain...
Please,
Listen. Remain calm, okay?
I'm worried about the kids. I'm worried about the kids.
Listen, the kids are going to be safe, okay? We're here, okay? We're going to talk with her.
Is there anything you could do to allow me to sit and just breathe?
Yes, go ahead, man. Take a seat.
Do you want to take anything out of my pockets?
You're good. Take a seat.
Because
right here. Take a seat.
Her dad is
Take a seat.
Officers first made contact with the children's father, 42-year-old Nathan Forsyk, in the front yard. He walked them through what he framed as a domestic complaint involving his wife, and at first, officers worked through his account as if that were the call they had been sent on. But as the conversation continued, the original reason for the visit began to fade into the background, because something inside that house was already pulling officers' attention away from the disturbance they had been dispatched for.
That's how your fault. They put the wrong numerics.
All right.
Hey.
Hi.
Okay. You have dogs.
No, just the one, and the dog's safe. The
Dog secured. Okay.
Sorry, I should have thought of that. I just don't want to leave the pets longer than
Yes. No weapons or anything like that. It's just you and the kids.
just me and the pets. My husband's in an altered psychological state.
Okay.
He has been for several days, or possibly a couple of weeks now. I don't want to leave. Please come in. I we thought.
How long have you been living here for?
9 months.
9 months?
Please.
And how many kids are there?
6. 3 of them are still sleeping.
Okay, what is going on today?
He has,
Why is he outside? What is going on?
Please, I don't want the door up. Please.
The dog is in secure.
The dog is secure.
We have FT summons, so we're gonna leave the door open.
What's that? I'm sorry.
Fire department.
Oh, okay.
Somebody requested the fire department, or they need it?
Paramedics is what I said.
Yes.
Oh,
For the
okay.
medics, yeah.
Yeah, my husband is
Arrest
having a psychotic break. Unfortunately, I've never seen this before. In
So
our
you called the
year.
fire department for him?
No, I called 911. I have a friend who's had experience with schizophrenic people.
Does anyone need medical? though?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Yes, my husband needs
For
medical
what?
attention for a psychotic break due to
Okay.
schizophrenia.
Okay, we just want to make sure what's going on regarding to the medical side. So
He
we
has
can relay that message.
unfortunately lost.
So no one needs medical.
Nope.
No.
Not
No.
like
Not here.
injured. Just
Okay.
he needs a
All
psychiatric
right, so we need to know that because they're down the street waiting. So,
He needs a psychiatric evaluation.
Okay.
so why are you saying that he needs to be? He's asking
It
what happened
started-
today.
Well, it started a couple of weeks ago. He has work stress, and work stress was bringing on a manic episode, and that turned into paranoid delusions. He had a therapy appointment, an emergency therapy appointment on Monday. I thought that talk therapy would be enough, but he's now convinced that I'm going to kill him, or
He's on medication,
no, he's just self-medicating with from the state
so he's
program.
not prescribed. Does he see a doctor,
Just a therapist.
a therapist?
And the
And when did he
medical
see the
doctor.
therapist?
Like I said, emergency meeting on Monday. His regular meeting was last Friday. He was supposed to have talk therapy.
And he's getting is today different from any other day?
Yes.
And why is it
So
different
the-
today?
So my parents called in a welfare check. They live in Jupiter. They called in a welfare check last night. And the police came last night, and I told them that he just needs sleep. And I did not feel threatened at that point. But after that visit, he was convinced, because you all have guns, he's convinced that my dad is trying to get him killed. And then that translates to, I'm trying to get him killed. And so this morning he took my phone. He told me that he wasn't going to work. He doesn't have any. I just called his boss and left his boss a message. He doesn't have any sick time or vacation time left. So
is it? I don't know if you said this. So forgive me if I didn't hear it, but is he diagnosed with anything medical?
he's diagnosed with autism and ADHD.
Wanna write
It's
that down,
suspected schizophrenia.
Okay, so he's diagnosed with autism.
Autism and ADHD.
Okay, and is he schizophrenic?
He's suspected schizophrenic.
Okay, so he's not diagnosed with
He's
it.
not diagnosed schizophrenic. That's what
So
I want a medical
this is
professional to
autism. I'll write down.
Okay.
What can you spell his name, please?
Nathan, Nathan.
All right, so Nathan, and what's his last name?
Forsyk, Forczzyk. I love my husband very much.
Okay, and what's his date of birth?
August 1st, 1983. He just had a birthday. Yeah, it was a happy birthday. He was fine
okay,
then.
and then you're like autism.
August 1st, what?
August 1st, 1983.
Why is he acting different today? You're saying why?
Last night when the police came, I was completely honest that I did not feel threatened. After the police left is when I started the first time in my entire marriage that I ever felt threatened by
Well,
him.
you've been married with him,
10 and a half
and
years.
all these kids are his? Yours? Okay. And
I'm very happy
But
couple
why, out
with
of
this
10 and a
thing.
half years, why is it going downhill? He's not always like this, right?
No.
So why? Do you have any idea why he's acting like? If he doesn't take medication, do you know any why he's acting like this?
I've
lately?
been reading Google, but I'm not a doctor, so
Yeah.
Google says that it could be stress-induced, trauma-reduced, drug-induced. Like
Did
I
he
said-
smoke? Did he smoke anything?
Like I said, he's on the state program for marijuana. He had
But did he do anything different, unusual? That
I mean,
you
like
think
just
that-
increase in limits. He had an increase in limit.
Any threats did he make?
So last night was the first time in our entire marriage that it was his tone and the way he gripped my shoulder.
Okay, that was last time we were out here.
And then this morning he came in. He told me that he felt like I was trying to get him killed last night because I had told lies to my parents,
Okay.
and that my parents had done like a welfare check, right? And so I brought police over with guns, and therefore I was trying to get him killed, and that my dad was trying to get him killed, and that he doesn't feel safe with my dad owns guns.
Okay.
But my dad is honestly senile, so he probably should.
And then today he just is he throwing things around or
No,
what's he
it's
doing?
paranoid delusion. So
Okay, he just thinks-
he is convinced that I'm going to kill him. He's
And this
convinced
is all
that my
new?
dad's, and this is all new.
Okay.
This
All
is
right.
brand
So
new
we're
from last
gonna
night.
we're gonna step out and go talk
But
to.
he took my phone. He wouldn't let me have a phone. He prevented me from re-entering the house to take care of the children.
Inside, officers spoke with the children's mother, 41-year-old Laura Forczych. Her version of events came in pieces, but the more she explained, the more uneasy officers became. By the time she finished, they no longer believed they were standing inside an ordinary household, and the reason was already in plain sight all around them.
So He's diagnosed with autism, not diagnosed with schizophrenic. He takes prescribed. He's been recently prescribed a higher dose.
I don't want to trigger her by being close to her.
He already knows.
You're fine.
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
Just relax just for a couple more minutes.
I don't want to be in the way of her car.
You're not.
No, you're fine.
Just sit
I don't
right there and you're
want-
fine.
Patriots? Patriots
Yeah,
fan?
and he
Yeah,
hates
yeah.
the Yankees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hate the Yankees, but you love the Patriots?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
All right.
Take a deep
Is
breath.
the kid's okay?
Yes.
Kids are okay, yes. They have food, they have their bottles, they're all okay.
But is someone making sure she's not driving in a lane?
Yes.
Are you? I'm going to trust you on this answer.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So again, you said you had some tasks to do today. Nathan, you're more than welcome to go into your
No,
room.
you don't understand. I don't even know. I don't even know what to do today. Did you understand?
Well, you said you wanted to go and talk to a lawyer.
I can't.
You said you wanted to talk to CPS to get services in the home. If you
Can-
want, we can call them.
Oh yeah, because my mental load right now is just.
Do you want us to call?
Yes.
Okay, we could do that.
Thank you so much. I need help and not telling. I know I need to get help. But
Do you
she's-
want to go and talk to someone?
Yes.
Like Circles
and,
of Care? Do you
just
want to
that's
go
the
volunteer?
she's gone and the kids are safe, and I can trust that. And I can talk.
Hold on 1 second. Hear me out, okay? Just for 1 minute. I know we're talking a lot. If you're not in trouble, it's a serious question, okay? It's voluntarily. Would you like to go speak to somebody because we can help you and speak to somebody in reference to what's going on?
Yeah.
It would be considered voluntarily.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
not in trouble for any reason.
Okay, let's get CPS here. Let's talk to them. Okay.
Well, we're not talking about CPS, but we're talking about, do you want to go speak to someone like at Circles of Care?
I mean,
or-
every time I talk to, I get very little time. Every time I talk to somebody,
But that's why we're saying we can
But everyone
take you
goes.
there.
Everyone goes. We're gonna put you on a schedule. We're gonna put you on a schedule. We're busy right now.
After hearing from both parents, officers began to suspect the situation wasn't the routine domestic dispatch had described. There were medical concerns layered underneath, and a household that clearly wasn't functioning the way the adults inside it were trying to make it sound. Officers moved forward with the next step, a full welfare check with help from DCFS.
All right.
So, 2 priors in the past for Florida, 1 past in Georgia, all for environmental hazards, always smelling dirty, disgusting, you know the drill.
Yep.
Always, that's like the number 1 thing. Past 2 cases for Florida, we were not allowed inside. They refused. Both times they told us get off our property, you know, all the whole 9 yards. Father believes that there's an affair going on, like 5-hour lunches with the mother and some other random guy. She flew in from California. He's the breadwinner. He works. He's the only one. He works from home. She doesn't work. She has like a minimal social media jobs, I believe he was saying. All 6 kids, nonverbal, autistic. There's something with nudity going on in the house. Like, they want a babysitter who's okay with all that kind of stuff and who's trained in all that.
So regarding to like the kid, as she had to wake up some of the kids, there was an older male. That's one of them is nonverbal autistic.
Yep.
I forgot his name. It was Jade or where. But went up. He was coming down the stairs. He's completely naked. Maybe he just sleeps naked. That's how he is. We didn't go upstairs, whatever. So, kid, whatever. She told him to put on clothes. What is it?
They're definitely
Leonardo. Oh, Leonardo. Okay. So okay, gotcha. So
They definitely beat a lot. We've offered services in the past. They've refused everything in the past. This time, when I met the father, he was a bit more sober, lucid. He was able to talk to me. He was fine. He said he doesn't do drugs, no alcohol, no mental illnesses, no weed. He is seeing a psychiatrist. I forgot her name, but she's out in Orlando. They have had MRT come out here. They have done the talks. Mom's almost been Baker Act in the past. Mom's diagnosed with bipolar type 1. She refuses to be medicated.
So she is bipolar. Okay.
According to Dad.
Okay.
You know.
That's what he told me.
Yeah.
Same thing.
So, she refuses to get medicated. She refuses to get help. She refuses to see anyone.
And then my sergeant and the other officer stayed, and then we went to go make contact. And we said, listen, we're gonna wait. We're gonna watch you. Don't when you drive by him. Don't make contact with him. Just go, and then go. But
All 6 kids.
all 6 kids. Yep. Yep.
I did
And
find out she's pregnant. She's
She we confirmed that.
about a month.
Yep.
2 months.
As officers worked to piece together what was happening inside the home, a Child Protective Services investigator arrived and shared information that immediately changed the direction of the call. The concerns no longer centered on a dispute between 2 adults. Instead, attention shifted toward the children living inside the residence and the conditions they might be facing. What had begun as a domestic disturbance investigation was now rapidly evolving into something far more serious.
Hey, remember me from earlier?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
So, real quick before we continue, did you find out any information regarding your husband? Okay, so he is going to the facility.
Of care.
Yes, I did. I'm not lying to you. I did take him voluntarily there. However, they make the decision. Okay, they made the decision.
He called me a couple of hours ago and saying that it was involuntary. I'm like, no, I
Yeah,
didn't need
yeah,
that.
I spoke to him too. Okay,
So he's in his delusions right now, unfortunately.
Okay.
Thank you.
So-
Thank you. I feel like I want to give you a hug. Thank you.
no, you're
so
good. I
much.
appreciate it. So hear me out, okay? Hear me out. Anytime we deal with kids and all that, and
No, I
we have to
understand.
report to
I
DCF,
understand.
okay?
I know.
We spoke to your husband. He did request us to reach out as well, even though we're gonna do it anyways to DCF regarding to
Yes,
additional
because
resources.
He's convinced that I'm going to kill him, myself, and
All right.
the
Well,
kids.
I'm talking about resources or additional like help if needed.
Is there childcare? Oh gosh,
Okay.
is it
Yes.
under?
So hear me out. DCF is here. We have to come out for security and all that and our own investigation. Since we were out here earlier and we already know kind of what's going on,
Yeah.
we're out here again. Okay. So we would like to come inside so you're not stuck out here and speak to you. He has some questions to ask
So
you.
my husband does, like, when he's sane, my husband actually has this really strict, like, libertarian constitutional rights kind of thing going. So when he's actually a sane person, which he was until about 2 weeks ago, he is really strict on no one coming into, I mean, I invited you in this morning, but no one coming into the house without a court order.
Okay.
Like, I just
So,
want to honor his requests.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not. But hear me out with this. Okay. I'm just explaining to you and not
Yeah.
telling you what to do or anything like that.
I know.
All right. Because everybody has rights. Just like before, how we came out here, we're doing an investigation to see what's
Right.
going on.
Right.
It's just a continue follow up of that.
Right.
You're an adult, right? You're the mom of a whole bunch of kids. All right. He's the father. Okay. He's at Circles of Care for that. All right. He asked, and that's why he's out here.
No, I
Okay.
get that, yeah.
And I'm highly suggesting now is a time that you can speak to him and see. And like I said, things can
No,
turn.
no, I'm happy
Now,
to
hear me
talk,
out. Hear me
yes.
out. Hear me out. A lot of times, DCF is not always a bad thing. They come out and they give you, hey,
Our experience has been extremely
okay,
negative.
I'm sorry for that, but I'm telling you, as an officer doing this for a while, that's not always a bad thing. They come out and they provide resources and stuff,
We need
and you
childcare.
probably could use it because you have a lot of
We need
kids.
help. We need
Okay,
childcare.
so right now is the time for him just to ask some questions. We're here,
Yes.
and to do that. Okay, you're an adult. You're grown up.
Can we speed it up because I do have kids?
Okay, so can we please get this done?
Well, no, because the kids.
What?
No, we can stay out here. We can stay out here.
So
Okay.
okay.
So let's just do this. Let's just talk. Okay.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember me?
Yes.
Okay. Last time we spoke, you know, you basically told me to get off the property. You didn't want to invent because you said you had bad experiences with GCF before,
Extremely bad.
which I fully understand. You know, I'm not here to rehash that. Okay. I just want to know what's going on today in these events.
This
and
has
make
never
sure-
happened in my 11 years with my husband. I love him very, very much.
They also help with therapies, counselings, helping with DV injunctions, which is like restraining orders, stuff like that. If that's what you feel like you need to do.
God, I hope not.
I just want to make sure you have the information just in case. Okay? Does that sound fair? Okay. So I'm all about giving information to families. Does that sound good?
Never in my wildest dreams would I ever think about domestic violence with my husband. It's not him. It's not who he is.
But like you said,
He's
it's
not
not him.
himself right now.
so better safe than sorry, right? You never know. So, how about this? I'm going to give you my phone number. We'll exchange phone numbers. I'll give you all this information. I'll text it to you.
Okay.
So you have it, just in case. Okay? And then we'll do the provide cares form, so we can all have a talk. Because we can't talk to her unless I get you to sign the form first. And then we'll do that. Okay? Does that sound good? Okay. I still need to see the kids. Need to make sure they're okay, happy, healthy, all that fun stuff. I already know that they're really not verbal, so they'll be quick. And then we'll go from there. Okay? Sound good? You want to bring them out one at a time? Sound good? Okay. Thank you.
You want to go ahead and ask him what that stands for that you wrote down?
We're just going to the front door. I don't want the cats to
No, you're fine.
They got out this morning.
And these ones are nonverbal?
Yes.
Age?
She's 9, he's 3.
So it's a little play area. There's crayons written all over the on the wall. Yeah. Then this is where it takes down. There's a room with the cat litter and there's crap everywhere. Feces. And the living room's the back.
one room with this?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a laundry
Just that room. Yeah, that's all over the floor. And then you get a long hallway.
Animal.
It was
The
an
cat.
animal.
Cat litter box.
Yep. Just like dirt and stuff on the floor.
Any chemicals on that?
I don't recall seeing the chemicals. And then you go back to the hallway of the living room, and that's where you see just the walls torn up, a dirty mattress with stains on it.
Go upstairs?
No. And then the mattress in the back had just dirty.
And one of the younger kids were playing right next to the litter box too. And it was like,
Yeah.
I'll tell you after because it's a long story, but chances are we'll get a motion to into the home. We're going to try and grab it.
Yeah.
Inside, officers found a home in advanced disrepair. Large sections of drywall missing from the walls, live electrical wiring exposed throughout the residence, and an overwhelming smell of human waste hanging in the air. But the most disturbing discovery wasn't the structure, it was the children. Officers located 6 kids, all of them on the autism spectrum, locked behind separate bedroom doors with no access to food, no access to water, and no functioning bathroom besides a single child-sized potty training toilet. The parents' explanation, when asked, was that the children were escape artists, and while officers were still inside the residence, one of the children tried to ingest the parents' medical marijuana, which had been left out in plain sight.
Hi, I'm sorry, I'm not even dressed, but I haven't got you.
That's all right.
To sleep
That's
yet.
all right.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of people. Why are there so many police here?
Let's get Nathan out.
Holy shit, are you taking him back?
In the front. In the front.
You're arresting me?
Yes.
Oh, okay, why?
So,
Why am I under arrest? Can I get dressed?
where
And can I talk to a lawyer?
you'll have an opportunity to talk to a lawyer, okay?
Okay. Why am I under arrest?
So we're gonna take care of the situation at hand, and then we'll go over everything, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna double lock these so that they don't.
Did that drug
hijack
test come out actually positive to anything?
my- Drug test. Oh,
Where's Nathan at right now?
He's in the backyard blaring music.
Okay.
The kids are still up there.
You wanna-
Toddlers upstairs and a baby.
Are they
Okay, why?
Do you wanna call
The
Nathan?
toddlers
See if
are,
he'll come out?
Yeah.
the
And then let's
toddlers
get her.
are,
Yep, on there.
what am I under arrest
You're
for,
gonna,
please?
you're gonna go with him, okay?
Okay. Also, I
Then-
need to get dressed.
If you want to stay here with him,
Yeah.
so that we can get Nathan out, and then as soon as he comes out, we'll grip him. Let us handle the situation at hand, and then we'll tell you.
Can you please help? Can you please help with the toddlers?
Yes, we're gonna take care of the kids.
Have a seat. From the sounds of it, though, the reason that you're in handcuffs right now the way you are is because I guess you're 8 weeks pregnant, right?
Yes.
Okay. There's with how whatever's going on in the house or how everything was, they've established PC essentially to charge both you and Dad with child
Okay. Yes,
pending court and everything. It'll sort itself out through court, but from the sounds of it tonight, I think both of y'all are going to be going to jail. Okay.
Sign my husband wrote. Someone, as I exited the front door just now, was asking about the sign that my husband wrote. Do you know anything about why they were asking me that?
I didn't even see a sign, nor do I know anything
It'll
about a
have to be
sign.
the other officer that tells me.
Probably.
Thank
Okay,
you.
just hold tight. Okay.
Thank you.
Do you have any medical conditions or anything that we need to know about?
No, just pregnancy.
No epilepsy, seizures, or anything like that? Okay, I'm gonna walk right in here.
You don't have anything metal on your dick?
It's a question we gotta ask you. You'd be surprised.
Oh, handcuffs.
Besides that, yes.
You have the ring? Can you take it off?
It's gotta go to the property, that's why it's...
Step aside for now.
We'll go here. No, come over here real quick. I think this is fixed now. Yep. I'm gonna have you come over here for me, okay?
It's a picture. It's not a picture.
This is nothing that gets posted online or anything like that. This is simply for our records to show who we have inside of our facility, because this is simply a holding cell.
Okay.
Why are you arresting me? So you guys believed her.
No, she's already at the jail.
So you guys are arresting both of us.
Yeah.
Yes.
6 counts of child neglect.
Sorry, I shouldn't have trusted you at all. All
I
right.
mean,
I don't have a lawyer at all. Oh yeah.
you have the name of a lawyer. We're gonna write that down for you if you can provide it to us, so that you have that and all that stuff. It's on file.
I'm not the bad guy.
Okay. Well, these children
I agree
are in a very
completely.
bad
I agree.
condition.
I agree completely.
So listen, just because you're charged doesn't mean you're convicted, okay, Nathan? I want you to listen to me for a second, Nathan, okay? Work with DCF, work with the attorneys, okay, and get through this and figure out how we can get these kids
From my perspective, you
taken
guys
care of.
lied to me completely to manipulate me to get me arrested.
Okay, and you have every right to believe that, okay?
Oh, it's true.
You have every right to believe that.
And it's my
But
wife who f***ing lied.
The condition that those children are living in
I agree.
is terrible.
I agree.
Where's the dog at, Nathan? I don't want the dog to get hurt.
Inside the house.
Inside the house.
In the back where the playroom is? Okay.
Dude, why? She's an angel.
Are any of the children with the dog?
My trust right now and everything is just.
Is there anything you're finding out there?
Huh?
Do you know where she is? She's already gone already?
She's gone. Yeah, she's at Palm Bay if you want to go to the PD.
Yeah, I didn't tell her.
All right, so.
She'll be there for a few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
They just got there.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
so that's fine. We can get them. I can call you there. I can watch you while you
getting
tell
them
her.
is going to be the trick. That's what.
Are there any children with the dog, Nathan?
I'm willing to talk to a lawyer. Everything he says, I agree with.
Okay.
Why are we arresting
Nathan,
me?
are there any children with the dog?
Probably.
Probably.
I mean, dude, I'm not the bad guy.
Nobody said you're the bad guy, Nathan. But I need to know where the dog is and where the children are in correlation to the dog because I don't want to get bit by a dog and I don't want the dog to get hurt or any children.
God, I'm never going to trust cops again.
That's fine, Nathan. But I need you to just answer
Why do
that.
I have a lawyer?
It's not an incriminating question. It is a safety question.
Okay, yes, the kid is probably with the dog. The dog will come out. The dog will not bite. The dog does not bite.
Okay.
She just barks. That's all she does.
Okay.
Please do not.
That's the last thing I ever want to do in my career. Okay? I would
The
rather
dog
get
is
bit.
really protective of the kids.
They are fine.
Okay, we need to know that because I think they think this way worse.
Let's just hear from a lawyer.
Okay, okay. We're not that bad people. Like, we're not that
Speaking
people.
without a lawyer.
Watch yourself. All right, sir, you're first. Watch your head on that last step.
The following night, investigators returned to the residence with the full case file built. By the time they pulled up to the front door, neither Nathan nor Laura Forzik had any idea what was waiting for them, and no idea that what they had been hiding behind those bedroom doors had already been documented in detail by the people now walking up their driveway.
This one's locked?
Yeah.
Right here.
It's locked.
This one's locked too.
Yeah.
You got, hey, I set the keys right on that little wooden thing when you come in on the right.
Yeah, we need to get the key.
I can't tell. It's this one.
Yep. I think that's the bathroom.
Yeah, I'll double check. I'll check this one first since we don't hear anything. There is? Alright.
They're all locked.
Yeah, we don't know. Yeah. Hey, buddy!
Hi.
Hey! Yeah. Hi, guys. Hey, it's the police department. Hey, how are you? Hey, guys.
Only just one?
Just one in here. Hey, where are your brothers and sisters?
Upstairs.
Upstairs? Are they all locked?
Take pictures.
Yeah. I'll grab the keys.
This one we got. Baby's crying in there.
Which one?
This one right here.
Alright, we'll get the baby first.
Yeah. It's okay.
Is it she?
I have no idea.
Yes.
Last key. Let me try them all again one more time.
It's okay. Can you take some pictures?
What is that smell? Hi! Oh, what's wrong?
Oh, let's go. It's okay, baby.
Hi!
It's okay.
Wait. Stuffy. You want to go down here? Right behind you.
Follow him. Let me get some diapers. Go ahead. You got it?
The keys are sitting right on top of the diapers. Okay. Just come on, Bubba. Grab here. There you go. Come on. Grab like this. I know. Hey, Smear.
You're gonna bring them into here, the car seats?
I'm just gonna put it in my car and I'll just put it in. Ooh, okay.
Hey. Well, I just want to make sure she doesn't get on that door.
Hi!
Come this way, okay? We're gonna go over this way. Alright.
Oh, her pants just fell.
Oh, can you pull your pants up?
Just go ahead and help her. Mississippi, let's wait right here. Let's just wait. We're gonna fix your pants.
Oh, right. All better, huh? Where do we want? Alright. We're gonna go this way.
Nathan and Laura Fortzik were placed under arrest at the home that night, while DCF worked to ensure not a single one of those 6 children would be returning. In the end, both parents were each charged with 6 counts of neglect, one for every child who had been living locked behind a bedroom door in that house. The bond was set at $30,000 apiece.